Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Photos step by step. This is the full guide for 2026, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. This is the Google Photos home page, where all your backed up photos and videos are stored. To upload a photo, click the Upload button in the top right corner. Choose a photo from your computer and wait for it to upload. Once the upload is complete, click on the photo to open it. You can zoom in and zoom out to view the image more clearly. Click the info icon to see details such as the date, time, file size, and location if available. To make changes, click the Edit button. Here you can adjust lighting, colors, crop the image, apply filters, and make other edits. To share the photo, click the Share button and choose a contact or create a shareable link. You can also organize your photos by creating an album. Click Add to Album, create a new album, and save your selected photos together. The search bar at the top helps you quickly find photos by people, places, objects, or keywords. If you want to keep a photo separate from your main library, click Archive. To remove a photo, click the trash icon. Deleted photos will remain in the trash for a limited time before being permanently removed. Google Photos automatically syncs your photos across your devices when backup is enabled, so you can access them from your phone, tablet, or computer. That's how to use Google Photos in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.